सिंधु सिंधु पर्यंता यस्य भारत भूमिका पितृभू पुण्यभूश्चैव सवै हिंदुरीती स्मृतः। अर्थात सिंधू नदीपासून सिंधू सागरापर्यंत पसरलेला या भारत भूमीस जो कोणी आपला पितृभू आणि मातृभू मानतो तो हिंदू. Hindus are one for whom India is both fatherland and holy land. This is the definition of Hindu given by Veer Savarkar. Namaskar to respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Yurani Snehashri Agasti Zavekar from class 4th A Venus, feeling obliged and honored to express some words on birth anniversary of most multidimensional personality, the political leader, historian, poet, philosopher Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar established a secret institution named Abhirav Bharat Society with his elder brother Ganesh Damodar Savarkar. He also established student institutions like Free India Society. Veer Savarkar propagated the concept of Swadeshi and decided to burn all foreign goods in bonfire. During his 50 years imprisonment, he wrote the famous book named The History of War of Independence. Veer Savarkar was also against untouchability in India. He wrote everlasting poems like Sagara Prantarmala. Now, I want to conclude my speech by saying famous lines by our late Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. सावरकर माने तेज, सावरकर माने त्याग, सावरकर माने तत्व, सावरकर माने तर्क, सावरकर माने तीर, सावरकर माने तलवार, सावरकर माने तितिक्षा. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.